Uba Titus W. Khan, Chief Executive Member, Kakasils Autonomous District Council, KHEDC, Uluong ba Kamdon ka Jingkhang Setia ki kynthei bani Shimanta haki Dorbar Shnong, Henry Kat kum ka riti ka dustur pat, Kim la pat banlong kum ki Rangbah Shnong. Ya kan yew lapun pau ha bakren kum kongsan ha ka jilang khot itai halo ka jia lenti ka Megalia, panyo ya ka jala da ka Sankardev College ha ka Pratrek naitung arajar arpuar. Ula pentip badangsian ka executive committee jong ka council kalam menjur ya ka village development council bill bat ha kan ka bill la aila jakai ki kynthei ha ki Shnong nong kondong bakini Shimanta ha ki kam ban kentiu ya ka roi ka par ha ki Shnong.
I think all of you would like to know what is my reaction as a chief executive member of the Kasir Autonomous District Council regarding the issue of participation of women in traditional institutions. This subject has become one of the issues which we all have discussed in these days. Even there's a case in the Honorable High Court, which is still that the Honorable High Court has given the order to the Autonomous District Council to have like a referendum regarding this issue. But what is our stand from the District Council in this issue? We have no bar for the women to participate in the Dorbar. Most of the Dorbar, they have that women organization where we say Senglong Kumi. And even in the executive committee of Rangbah Shnong, most of the Rangbah Shnong, especially in Shillong, the women are participated as the executive member of the executive committee of the Rangbah Shnong. Recently, from the Autonomous District Council, we have passed one bill which we call the Village Development Council Bill. In this bill, we have given space to the women in the village, and it is mandatory according to this bill that we should have a reservation for the women so that they can take part for the development of that particular village. So at no case there will be any bar for the women to participate in the Dorbar Shnong. But traditionally, as you all know, that the post of Rangbah Shnong or the post of headman, we cannot at any cost that should belong to the women. Like we have discussed just now, like Paul has specifically briefed regarding how we address the man as Ba or the woman as Kong. In the same also like Rangbah Shnong, how we convert it to Kong Shnong or in any other name. Like headman, how we can convert it to head woman, no, in the Rangbah Shnong. And you know the responsibility of Rangbah Shnong is very important. Sometimes night time also they have to get up. During the law and order problem also they have to come out. So it's very difficult for the woman to become Rangbah Shnong or headman. But participation in the Dorbar is most welcome for the woman.